Hey guys, I'm Bill, and today I'm going to talk about if statements in Java. What an if statement do is it checks what you give it, and if that check succeeded, if it returned true, then it will run the code that you gave it. To see it in action, let's make a simple movie scoring program. You can see that I have this text right here. If the movie score is 0, then we'll tell the user that the movie is terrible. If the movie score is 5, then we'll tell the user that it's not that bad. And if the movie score is 10, we'll tell them that the movie is great. Let's get started. To use the if statement, we first put in if, and then we follow it by a parenthesis, 2 pairs of parentheses. And now we'll put something in there that Java can check. In this software, we're gonna check for movie score. We'll check if movie score is equal to 0. The equal sign is another operator. It's not math, but another type of operator. We'll learn these operators in the next tutorial. We'll check for movie score equal to 0, and then we'll tell Java to run some code. To tell Java to run some code, you put in a bracket, and you put all the codes that you want to run if this is true inside here. We want to print out this movie is terrible. And now we've handled the terrible score. Then we want to handle the not bad score, 5. To handle it, we'll use an else if. Basically, what an else if does is if the if didn't succeed, if movie score didn't equal 0, then it will run else if. If there's no else if, it wouldn't run anything. But we want to add an else if. We want to check if the movie score equals 5. If it equals 5, then we'll output not a bad movie, but not worthy of any popcorn. Popcorn boxes. Finally, we want to add a check for the best movie ever. If the movie score equals 10, we'll output best movie ever. Now we've handled all 3 of the possibilities, but if the movie score doesn't equal 0, 5, or 10, what if it's equal to 7 or 2? To handle those, we'll use an else statement. An else statement runs when all the other ifs and else ifs return a false. For the else statement, you don't need any parentheses. And we'll output undefined. Let's test this program out. Now the movie score is still 0. It should show this movie is terrible, and it does. We want to make this movie not bad. we'll change the movie score to 5. And we'll select save it, and here we go. It shows not a bad movie, but not worthy of any popcorn boxes. If we change the movie score to 10, it should show it's the best movie ever, and we should definitely go watch it. And it shows best movie ever. Let's say the movie score was 2. It will now show undefined. 7, also undefined. And any other numbers except 0, 5, and 10 will output undefined. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And don't forget to check out my website, www.whatsyouridea.com. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.